What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make this recipe that is going to make you stand all night so that you can satisfy your woman throughout the night. But before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and enable the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on new contents as soon as I upload them. So guys, let's go into today's video. So for this simple but natural recipe, we're going to be needing some bananas. So you can get 2 pair of bananas, peel them quietly or gently, and then you can either use your hand to break them into smaller particles or pieces, or alternatively you can also utilize the knife in cutting them into smaller pieces. Whichever one you prefer, just like you see what I did in the video, whichever one you prefer, just choose and go ahead. So after cutting the bananas into smaller particles, we'll be needing a single apple. So get an apple, cut it into smaller pieces. Make sure to take off the parts that contains the seed, because the seed can be hard, so you will not be needing the seed for this recipe. So make sure to cut off or remove the seed, and then cut the remaining part of the apple into smaller particles and add it to the banana. So the next item or the next ingredient you are going to be using is called the avocado pear. So you can get a single avocado pear is enough, cut into 2 major parts so that it will be easy for you to scoop the content. So using a spoon, scoop the content from the pear, or scoop the pear itself, just like you can see what I'm doing now. Make sure to take the content, avoid peeling the back. So take the content and add it to the bowl containing the banana and the apples. Make sure the avocado pear you're using is ripe enough so that it won't be hard. At least it should be edible for you to eat or to consume. So the next ingredient for this recipe are cashew nuts. So you can get some cashew nuts as much as possible, but preferably, if minimum, you shouldn't be less than 4. So get as much as possible. Using your grater, you can break them into smaller particles, or you can either use your knife to cut them into smaller pieces. If you don't have a grater, you can also use your hands to break them into smaller pieces into the bowl containing our ingredients so far. Then the next thing to add is yogurt. It could be any flavor, but provided is a pure yogurt. Make sure you get clean yogurt and add it to bowl containing all the recipes. So the next thing you can do at this stage, you can either put it in the freezer or the fridge for it to be cool. You can serve it, you can eat it while it is cool, or you can eat it just the way it is, but make sure you mix it very well before eating it. And I guarantee you, after taking this, you are going to be stronger, you are going to have a good erection, and you're going to perform very well, and your wife is going to be happy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video so that others will also learn from this video. Thank you so much.